Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a set of nails perfect for Thanksgiving. So for this Thanksgiving set of nails, I wanted to do a lot warmer tones. So I'm going to start with Light Elegance's What's Your Alibi as my glitter accent. This is a beautiful coppery holographic glitter. I'm going to go ahead and do two of the nails with this glitter. I'm going to go ahead and do this set on swatches for you guys today. Next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Talk Dirt to Me, which is a nice warm buttercream type of color. I'm going to paint this on two of the nails as well. And finally, we're going to take Light Elegance's Curry On, which is a beautiful burnt orange shade. I'm going to go ahead and paint the last nail with this color. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors, as well as a second coat of glitter. After I apply the second coat of glitter, I'm going to take this loose leaf glitter from Jelly Nails. It is a beautiful coppery holographic color. I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the leaves out onto my table here. And I'm just dipping my brush in some gel so that way it's wet and I can pick up the loose glitters. And I'm going to place 4 leaves on both of the glitter nails. I'm going to push them into that wet gel and try to make sure I place them as flat as I can on that nail. After I have cured the loose glitter into the wet gel, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate those glitters so that way anything poking up is covered up. I will be using my Young Nails Flex Gel for this. And I'm just going to do a thin layer hovering over just to seal in those edges of that chunky leaf glitter. After encapsulating loose glitter, you do want to go back and refile and shape the nail. So I'm cleansing the nail and I'm going to take my 100 wood 80 grit file from Jelly Nails, as well as a buffer from her as well. These are new files and buffers that she has to the site. Definitely go check them out. I'm going to use the file first. File everything nice and smooth, get the edges how I want them, and then I just use the buffer to buff over everything afterwards. Now I'm going to take some Thanksgiving and fall nail sticker decals. This pack was from the Ultimate Fall Goodie Bag. The loose glitters were also in that goodie bag. But I'm going to go through and pick the stickers that I want to put on the nails. And I do cleanse my nails before I add the stickers on. I go ahead and apply the stickers to the cream nails, and I'm using my dual-ended tweezers. It has pointed tweezers on one side and a cuticle pusher on the other side. These are perfect for picking up these stickers, placing them onto the nails, and then using that cuticle pusher side to smooth out the sticker onto the nail. Once I have my stickers how I like them on the nail, this is an optional step. If you're having a hard time getting them to lay down, you can go ahead and encapsulate the stickers like I am doing here. If they seem to be laying down nice and smooth, just do a double top coat to seal in those stickers. So same as encapsulating the loose glitters, I take a thin layer of that flex gel, hover that over the nail, cure those, and then I'm going to go back in with my file, smooth and buff everything out. And now I'm going to top coat. I will be using Madam Glam top coat. So here is what the Thanksgiving nails look like. I love all of the different leaves on there, the loose glitter leaves mixed with the sticker leaves. And you have those beautiful coppers and burnt oranges, and everything in this design goes all together. I love burnt orange. It is my favorite color of fall. I love doing these super warm, rich toned sets of nails. So thank you to Jelly Nails for sponsoring this video. Make sure to go check out her website for a bunch of nail goodies. I'm sure she'll have lots of Christmas nail art coming out very soon. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my holiday tutorials, and make sure you're subscribed for more holiday tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!